Level 8, Upper Intermediate. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. There once was a shepherd boy who looked after the village flock. Each day, he sat alone on the hillside and quickly grew bored. To amuse himself, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf! The wolf is attacking the sheep." The villagers ran to his side, but when they arrived, they saw no wolf. The boy laughed at their anger and thought it was great fun. Another day, he cried out again, "Wolf, wolf!" Once more the villagers came, only to find no wolf. Now they were truly angry and warned him not to lie. But the boy ignored them. At last, a real wolf came out of the forest and attacked the flock. The boy screamed for help, but the villagers, remembering his lies, stayed where they were. The wolf killed many sheep, and the boy sat alone, crying for his mistake.